You can also add in video covers inside of Prezi Design, and to do that, you need to click on the Add Graphic option right here. So when you click on Add Graphics, you get this option where you have to click on Video Covers. And in the video covers, you can go around and see different video covers right here. So if I were to click on a video cover right here, a video file is inserted, as you can see. So this can be added out as a moving background. So let me just go around, resize this. So you can resize and rotate out a video file as you do with an image file. And over here, you can see that you can work around with transparency of the video file right here. Over here on the right side, you can see playback option is here, which is set to loop. So you can click on once, and what happens is that it only plays out once and stops when the length of the video is stopped out. You can also see that autoplay video is turned on right now, and as soon as I turn it off, you can see that the video stopped playing. If I were to click on it, it plays out. If I were to click on show play and volume controls, as I hover around the video, you can see pause and play option is here. You can go around and see more options like you can download out the video, you can control out the playback speed, or go for picture in picture, as you can see right here. So you can work around with all of these, and you can even maximize out the video right here in full screen, as you can see right here. So apart from inserting out the video that you have over here, you can also go around and click on Add Graphics and click on Upload MP4 video file. So once you do that over here, you can also upload out the file as you wish. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and choose a video that I have right here, I can open it out, and what happens is that the video will get uploaded and you will be able to use it in your project inside of Prezi Design, as you can see right here. And that is how you can add out video covers inside of Prezi Design and work around with video cover options. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.